Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable location access in Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera Settings, scroll down to the right side and under Privacy and Security section, click on this one Site Settings option. Then scroll up to this one Permissions section. Here you will find Location option. Click on this one. By default, Opera allows sites to ask your location. The first option enables location access in Opera browser, and in case you want to block location access to Opera, select this one second option. Don't allow sites to see your location.